Alright, hi everyone, it's Corey. I wanted to give you guys an overview of E3 and what it could do for us at MCL. Figured probably a good way to do that is just kind of make some short little videos here. Hopefully it won't get too in-depth. A lot of this is going to be kind of ad hoc, so not expecting it to go completely perfect, but hopefully you guys get the gist of what we're trying to do and the intent of it. And again, this is not completely done, so we'll be kind of filling in some gaps as we go to implement. So right now I got E3 open on my screen. I'm going to open up a brand new project here, and I've also kind of prepped open a Excel document here, which I'm kind of working on, but it's got the customer and MCL information as far as part numbers and revs and what we'd like for part numbers to go. I have a device list in here which I can enter either by customer part number, MCL part number, or manufacturer part number, and this will just kind of give you a list of the part, where it's being used in the drawing. I can give it a name if I want, and then these functions on the side just basically tell you if we have the library part in E3, and then it pulls some information from SyteLine or E3 to kind of give you some more information about the part. And then this tab here basically is a to from wiring table, which we can get from some of our customers, or this might be pulled from an estimate, or we might even do this direct in E3 depending on what kind of format we get and what we want to go in there. So go in here, you can kind of select from your devices you've already entered. You enter in the pin information it's going to wire from, what device it's going to what pin. We can enter in some wire IDs if we want, which can then go pushed into wired, or it'll generate them for you. Some signal names, and then again here wire type, color, and gauge. And I got a couple different gauges in here. I intentionally left out terminals on here because I want E3 to pick them out for me based off of the gauge and stuff that I have. So I'm going to bounce over to my other screen here. Just to kind of load this, what I'm going to do is load this devices into E3. So you can see it's switched to the device thing. It's moving on the bottom here. Tells me it's finished. If I go to my device tree, you can kind of see that it's loaded these into my project. I will now go into my to from table here. Let's see if I can scroll down to that macro that I'll eventually have a button for. I think that was towards the top here. Alright, and if I run this guy, you can go look back into E3 here. It created my cut and crimp part number, which was specified in Excel, dropped in all of these wires and where everything is wired to at the moment. So I think that's about all I'm going to do in this video. The next video I'll show you how we can create a drawing from this.